Time is a lot of the things that people say God is. There's the pre-existing and having no end. There's the notion of being all-powerful, because nothing can stand against time. Not mountains, not armies. Give anything enough time and everything is taken care of. All pain encompassed, all hardship erased, all loss subsumed. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Remember, man, thou art dust, and unto dust thou shalt return.
I've never experienced loss because I've never had a loved one to lose. And what is grief? If not love, persevering.
To remember and let go.
Even if their heart aches for just one more look, just means I'll never forget you.
God the infinite, God the merciful, God the eternal. Someday I will stand before God, and I will receive answers to all my questions about everything in His universe. And I do have many questions, but I won't ask about the nature